Hello everyone, I welcome you back to Sinolite Healing. Let us check what are the angel messages for you guys. So it's a quick reading today. Didn't have much time, but I wanted to record a short video for you. Yeah, so let's check what are the angel messages for you. The background is quite different today because I have placed the deck on my laptop. So yeah, the very first card we have is there is something better. So you might be a person, or maybe you might be exploring, you might be considering options around you. It might not resonate with all of you. ठीक है, मतलब आप या फिर आपके पर्सन जो है हो सकता है कि आप कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ओके, इट कुड बी वेरियस ऑप्शंस, और मे बी इट कुड बी you are trying to find some solution to a particular situation. That's what I'm sensing right now. Options and third party is not a message for everybody that I am getting. लेकिन अगर थर्ड पार्टी है, आपको पता है, if you are quite sure about a third party who is involved in your connection or something, then it might resonate with you. Otherwise हो सकता है कि आप एक situation का solution you are trying to figure it out, how to mend things. Okay, and if rather than focusing on the negative thoughts, rather than focusing on the negativity, or maybe comparing your relationship or your connection with others, you are trying to find peace within. You are trying to find peace within your in your connection and with your person. That's what I'm getting. Okay, so let's check what else do we have. आपके एंजल्स आपको क्या बताना चाहते हैं. मे बी अ लीफ इज इम्पोर्टेंट. लीफ, आई एम गेटिंग अ लीफ हियर. एंड मे बी लीफ इज इम्पोर्टेंट ऑल्सो. फ्लावर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू. हो सकता है आपको फ्लावर्स बहुत पसंद है, एंड मे बी योर पर्सन इज थिंकिंग टू गिफ्ट यू फ्लावर्स. Let's check what else do we have. We have romance. Wow, beautiful. So this is a confirmation for you guys. A heart, a beautiful heart forming here. Two lovers coming together. A relationship, beautiful harmony, harmonious connection and harmonious relationship with your person. And both of you are trying to put in as much as you can right now. मतलब आप दोनों separation में भी हैं, फिर भी you are trying to find peace. The only word that I'm getting today is peace. Okay, and you are trying to maintain peace in your relationship with your person. You are trying to avoid fights, misunderstandings, or maybe trying to remain calm. Okay, and deal with issues with maturity, with patience, and you are now ready to give time and space to your person. That's what I'm getting. There is change in energy, there is change in perspective. So your person might be someone who has changed your perspective. Your थिंकिंग पैटर्न हैज चेंज. यानी कि आपके जो आप जैसे सोचते थे, जैसा आप बिहेव करते थे, जैसा आप एक्ट करते थे, जैसा आपका रिस्पॉन्स रहता था, आपका रिएक्शन रहता था, ये सारी चीजें आपके पर्सन को मिलने के बाद, या फिर उनसे इट कुड बी रीयूनियन फॉर अ फ्यू ऑफ यू, उनसे वापस मिलने के बाद आपका पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया है. ओके, एंड यू फील वेरी मच बेटर व्हेन यू आर विथ योर पर्सन. ओके, this person is, I would say, very much calm, composed. They might be into meditation or something. They might be a spiritual person. Maybe you are a spiritual person. Or maybe the person whom you are dealing with is a spiritual person. There is a sun which is shining brightly, so there are new beginnings coming your way. I also can see babies here. I don't know how, but yeah, I am able to sense those messages for you. Maybe spirit guides want to let you know and convey the same to you. So babies are important. Babies are a part of your relationship. Maybe you are tensed about something. Maybe babies are a concern for you guys, or maybe you are thinking about building a family with your person. You are happy with them and you are planning a long-term connection with them. Okay, let's check what else do we have. So many messages I'm getting today from my spirit guides. So many visuals, so many messages. Okay, we have if you believe. So if you are doubting कि ये होगा या नहीं, see, I'm trying to keep it in Hindi, but I'm used to do it in English. So मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में आई कन्वे द मैसेजेस, बट प्लीज बेयर विथ मी इफ आई एम ओनली समटाइम्स आई फॉरगेट टू ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज इफ यू बिलीव. सो आपकी जो भी विश है, जो आप मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, मे बी सी द एंजल, she has power in her hands. She has power. She is trying to manifest. She is trying to put energy into something. जो भी वो करना चाहते हैं, जो भी वो करते हैं, उसमें already there is a lot of power into. She puts so much of power into it. उनके हाथों में ऐसा कुछ power है, as I said, कि they might be a spiritual person, they might meditate a lot or something. तो जो भी वो manifest करते हैं, वो बहुत ही powerful बन जाता है. Okay, it's already, they are already having some maybe angelic powers or something, maybe a magician or something I'm getting. Okay, yeah, there is a wand here, so magic wand is important for you. Okay, so let's find what else we have. Don't stop, keep manifesting. Again, a man, an angel, magician, manifesting something with a wand here, holding a wand, putting some energies. They are asking for powers from the angels above, and angels आपको bless भी कर रहे हैं. If you can just closely see the card here, the angel is giving powers to that person, blessing with power. And जो भी आप energies जिस भी टेक्निक में डालेंगे, जो भी मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक you are using currently, it will be manifested soon in your life. So both the angels are blessing the man here. Okay, he is asking for power. Here he is manifesting, and both the angels here are blessing him. And maybe obstacles are getting removed, and obstacles जो भी आपके connection में थे वो remove हो रहे हैं, negativity remove हो रही है. That's what I'm getting. Rainbow, 7 colors are important maybe. Okay, and white light might be important. White healing light, golden light is important because lot of golden color I can see today on the counter, and yellow, golden or maybe white light is important. Okay, and keep manifesting. Don't stop. Okay, keep manifesting. The person is now ready to climb stairs for you. That's what I'm getting today. Keep manifesting. Maybe you or your person is now ready to make amends with the other one. Okay, I want you. Wow, see, very positive feeling I'm getting today. I'm very calm and patient energies I can sense today. And आज मेरा कोई भी वो नहीं था intention to record a video because I'm not doing well much. Okay, my throat is not good. लेकिन I don't know why suddenly I just wanted to record a video and post tarot reading today. So there might be a special message waiting for you. That's what I'm getting. So I want you, your person wants you. I wish I could take back my words. I hide behind material things. So अपने काम में वो बिजी रहते हैं, आपके जो पर्सन है, ताकि आपको इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहते, अवॉइड भी नहीं करते, लेकिन वो कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे सिचुएशन को लेकर, या फिर कुछ भी हो सकता है, इसलिए वो डरते हैं किसी before approaching. They have a lot of things in mind before texting you, or before calling you, before asking you to meet them or something, before asking you out for a date or something. They have a lot of things going on in their mind, and that's the reason why they stay confused. I wish I could share my good news with you. Okay, so there is some sort of good news you want to share, they want to share. I love you. What else do you need? Yeah, this is a confirmation, a strong message from your person. Next we have is I can't listen to songs that remind me of you. Yeah, so there is some sort of I can sense कि कोई सॉन्ग, एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग है आप दोनों का जो फेवरेट रहा है, प्लेलिस्ट में भी गुड फेवरेट प्लेलिस्ट दैट यू बोथ माइट हैव क्रिएटेड और समथिंग, मे बी you are connected to music or something, you love listening to songs or something is connected with music. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So they miss you, they definitely miss you, they want you, they love you. What else do you need on the weekend? Okay, so this was a beautiful reading, feeling very happy and smiling continuously while giving you the messages. So now the upcoming days are special and full of surprises for you. So all the best, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.